You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to scenario number 9, generating incident reports in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead and perform this scenario. To perform this scenario, you need to log in using your primary account. I am logged in using my primary account. We'll go to Jira Service Management, top left corner, click on Jira Service Management. And then we will click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Scroll down in left panel and we'll click on reports. In reports, we are going to click create new report. Create new report. We are creating. I will show you once again. Click on reports and then create new report. So the name is going to be incident report. Click on add series. In series, we are going to select created, and in label we are going to give incident created. Let's click. You can select one of the color. Okay, so I will just select one of the color. Click on add. Make sure that basic is selected. Click on add. You have a specific count. Click on create. Okay, just make sure if the chart is not loading, you just need to refresh it. Okay, now let's create another report. We'll click on reports. We'll create new report. Click on create new report. Let me show it to you once again. Click on reports. Click on new report. Once again, click on reports. Click on create new report. Okay. Now, we will give the name as close incident and click on add series. From drop down of series, we will select resolved and we will give the name as resolved incident. We'll select one of the color. Click on add. You have number of incident which are resolved. Click on create. Okay, it's done. Now click on reports and scroll down. Verify under customs. You have two reports. Let us refresh this. Yes, incident report, the first one that we have created, and second type of report is close incident. With this, we have completed this scenario. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.